Hello everyone, I'm about to draft some trees, some lichies trees. Please follow through with me. First of all, here is my soil right here, and as you can see, this soil is very fertile. I made it so. Okay, now let me open the box, take everything out. These three are what are the rooting hormone powder. These are stimulators. So what you do is you see, it's a powder. You just pour it like this. They stimulate the growth of roots. Just put it like this. Okay, let me mix before putting the next one. Let me mix before putting the next one. I'll mix with this scissor since I don't have any equipment right here. You don't need that much, but you have to be sure that it does the work. Okay, then the first one is just finished. Let me pour the next one. And now the next one is finished also. I have to mix. I think I should get something better for mixing. Okay, let me go and grab something better for mixing. Okay, remember that I did see that I don't have tools for this job, so I'll mix with this. Okay. This is the soil I will use for drafting or cloning these trees. Okay. Okay, I'm done with the second one. Let me put in the last one. Three of them just went in. Okay, let me do a finish mixing and then I'll go to the next step. Okay, in case you're wondering, the product I used, this one and this one. Yeah. Okay, now I have a reusable bag. I'm gonna cut it to smaller pieces that I will use to tie the tree branches. Yeah, you'll see. Okay. Okay, the next part is I will go cut the tree bark. So I'm going to apply this. Now let's go. Okay, now this is how you cut the tree bark. Look here. Okay, let me pause the video and then show you the finished product. Okay, when you look here, you can see that I've cut it circular. Also here, same thing. It does not matter how big the branch is. Just cut it out circular like this. After cutting, make sure that the cambium layer, which is the green layer that usually stays here, is gone. Make sure the green layer is gone. Okay, now let's put plastic and then let's get to work. The next thing I do is this. I just pour in some soil in here. Put in some soil. Some soil. Some soil here. Okay, and then let me take it to the tree. With the soil, cover around like where you made your circle. After covering up the circle, I will use sellotape to make sure it's tight, that no air is escaping. And I just sellotape it like this. Do the same thing to all of them. Now the alternative method is this. Let me show you the alternative method for doing this. You can take the reusable bags. We'll take this one and then put some soil in it first. And here's our soil. Here's the alternative method. Okay, as you can see, this is what there is soil in here in these bags. And then what I'll do, I'll just go grab some branch, a random branch. Okay. But I won't take one branch. Here are the branches. Okay. If the branch is too long, you can cut it like this. And then with these branches, I still go back to the wheelbarrow to take this. And mold it around like this. Then put it inside. After molding it around, you can put it inside. Also in here, apply the same procedure. But between the two methods, I go with the one you do on the tree, because you don't have to water it, you don't have to do anything basically. You just have to, you don't have to water it. You just have to do it, and then that will be it. This is how you clone trees, or some people call it grafting trees. Thank you.